Are you on the hunt for the ultimate sanctuary in Aberdeen? Look no further than 403 King Street, a state par excellence that is sure to redefine your perception of perfection. Step into the realm of comfort and style at this stellar apartment, where each non-ensuite room is a heaven of modern amenities and cozy charm. Picture yourself immersed in the warmth of natural light filtering through the expansive windows as you unwind in your oasis. Say goodbye to laundry woes with the convenience of your very own washer and dryer, poised to tackle any task with ease. But hold onto your hat, because there's a lot more to love. Your safety and comfort are top priorities, with a dedicated 24-hour on-site team ensuring peace of mind around the clock. Dive into a world of connection with high-speed internet access, while vibrant social events offer the perfect opportunity to mingle, make memories, and forge lifelong friendships. And for the scholars among us, rejoice. The University of Aberdeen and Northeast Scotland College are just a stone's throw away, ensuring that your journey to knowledge is as effortless as it is enriching. When hunger beckons, treat your taste buds to the delights of Big Manny's Pizza, or savor the sweetness of Hey Luck Bubble Tea. Fear not, Many Mart and Lidl stand ready to cater to your every grocery need. So why delay? Your fairy tale abode awaits at 403 King Street, Aberdeen. Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your ideal abode today.